What's going on? So today we got a video from Body Cam Files, and the title of the video is Nightmare Neighbor Finally Gets What She Deserves.
Police respond to a residence after receiving a call from a woman saying she's being threatened.
Cops, I don't think that they're here to be a threat.
She's unhinged, bro.
Okay, step over there.
She's unhinged.
Okay, yeah, that's who we're attacked there for Leesburg. They're not separating. All right, what's going on?
I just want to leave. I want to be left alone
Okay.
with my kids. We can file a civil dispute. He can hire an attorney. I can hire an attorney.
Okay. Are you guys going through a divorce or something?
No, we're not going through a divorce. We've never been married. I just want to move on.
Okay, so do you guys live together?
No, sir.
Okay. So you don't live together. Whose house is this?
I'm not sure, honestly.
Then how did you end up here?
Because this is where my child ended up, and I'm going where my child goes.
How did you... Okay, so...
Because this is where he was placed to be with his friends to watch a fight tonight for the UFC. I'm not sure of any further details.
Okay.
Other than that.
Okay.
I'm not a criminal.
I'm never saying you're a criminal.
Yes, sir.
Not saying you're a criminal.
I just want to take my kids and go home. I don't want to deal with this anymore.
Okay.
She's unhinged, bro. This is my buddy's house, who we came to stay.
Right.
And she's fucking unhinged. I don't feel safe with her and my kid. She came f***ing up. I mean, she's calling the cops. And I'm like, why would you do that? You've already called the cops over at our house in Palmore. You're doing it again. She's so.
What's the reason of the argument?
No, nothing. Literally, came here. This is my buddy's house. I said, we're not driving all the way home. No. We're coming here to go to sleep. And she fucking lost it. She says, videotaping me. I'm like, you can videotape me all you want. I was like, I didn't do nothing. My buddy Blake owns this house. He's a UPS driver. He said to drive here.
This is my car that I drive every single day, and I have my children's...
28? Go ahead, I'm just talking to my dispatch.
Yes, sir. I have my children's
Quebec,
full-on
Foxtrot Kilo,
from
India 13. Go ahead, you're good.
24/7, you know, our doctor's appointments, our hospital appointments. He's a
What's your name?
special needs child, Eliza Harris.
Copy. Do you have ID on you?
No.
How did you get here then?
It's in my wallet.
How did you get here?
I rode with him.
Wait, you rode with him,
Yeah.
but now you're wanting to leave. Have y'all been drinking tonight?
I didn't know that there was any problems until we were at the lodge and we were watching this fight that I didn't even know existed.
Gotcha.
I'm a sports fanatic. I don't really care
Okay.
if there's a fight between anybody, so I don't mind sitting there and watching it
Gotcha.
happen. But then as soon as the bartender started to...
Started to what?
I don't even know how to make this, like... I don't blame him. He's a wonderful, wonderful...
Your kid is calling you.
Yes, I understand.
Oh, okay.
And she always interrupts.
Oh, okay.
Excuse me, I'm talking right now. The constant interruption from the sidebar and the back bar, or whatever they might call it, that has a lot to do with it.
Was it like the bartender hitting on him?
I mean, I don't think that's really a problem. If
Was
the
the
bartender
bartender
hits on me, it's not really.
So the bartender was flirting with him.
Well, I'm not saying that. I'm saying that there's no crime whenever the bartender flirts with me, or if the bartender flirts with him. There's no crime there.
No.
Correct?
No. That's.
So then, what's the problem here?
I don't know. You called us.
I called you because he told me to call you, and then I laid the situation to rest. So I'm just trying to go to rest. You know what I mean?
So whose house is this?
I'm not really sure. This is one of his people. I don't associate with Leesburg.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you mind if I just say hi to your kids real quick?
Yeah, absolutely. In a minute, whenever I'm done talking.
Let me. Once she's done, she'll take care of you. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how did you? Okay. So who drove here?
Number one. Thank you.
Yeah, you're good. Absolutely. No worries. I have kids, so
Oh boy, I could tell she gonna start the waterworks. She's probably going to start the waterworks. She's intoxicated. Once she hit him with that, thank you. Here we go. Now the emotions are gonna come out. You know, they always say when your true feelings come out when you're drunk. You know what I'm saying? All your emotions come out. But honestly, this to me isn't really much. It's nothing really going on. We're going to see if anything else happens or whatever. But I mean, they should just separate for the night or whatever. You know what I mean? Like, yeah, they went out for the fight, whatever, got into a little argument, whatever. This is just regular couple stuff. You know what I mean? It ain't nothing crazy. Nobody ain't get smacked up or nothing like that,
Thank you.
Yeah, you're good. Absolutely. No worries. I have kids, so.
For the sake of my daughter.
Hey, absolutely. All right, so you guys rode here together.
Here.
Who drove?
He did.
Okay, because obviously you're in no condition to drive.
No,
obviously.
sir, and I know that.
Okay, so he drove,
well
and you're
aware
just
of
wanting
that.
to leave.
I've documented everything that I want to leave.
Okay.
I have a place to go.
Okay, so where would you go? Like,
Here
where are you
come the
going to
crying.
go? Once,
Told you.
Park. I have my family's living is there, except for a king bed.
do you have anybody that you can come pick you up?
No, I don't need anybody to come pick me up. I'm a 27-year-old woman. With
So how are you going to go? How are you going? But how are you going to get there when you're in no condition to drive?
I can Uber.
You're going to Uber with your.
People do.
Okay,
You know what I mean?
I was trying to make it easier for you.
Yeah, if you can make it easier on me, then.
Well, if you think Ubering is going to be better.
If Ubering is an option, I want the best, safest option for my children.
Okay, yeah, obviously Uber, they are good.
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
I don't want to.
So if you want to take care of your daughter,
myself.
yeah, absolutely. So let me go talk to him real quick, and I'll be right back. All right, hang tight.
But can you, excuse me.
What's up?
What are you going to talk to him about?
I'm trying to figure out how we can mitigate the situation.
Mitigate? What does that mean?
Meaning,
in your opinion?
Mitigating means to make the situation better. So
we can just lighten up the situation and sweep it under the rug.
Not sweeping it under the rug. Mitigating literally means solving a problem.
Okay.
So I'm the mediator.
Yes,
I'm going to be the mediator,
yes,
meaning.
That's what I'm looking for.
So I'm going to mediate or mitigate.
Yes, sir.
But can I get your first name, please?
Yes, sir. Eliza.
All right, hang tight. Okay, I'll be right back.
Am I allowed to come here and
I would prefer if you.
Oh, I can't document this?
Well, you can just. What I'm asking
That's
is,
fine.
can you just stand over here?
No
That's all I'm
problem.
asking. Okay. It's being.
She pulls her phone out.
Okay. What?
She'll pull her phone out and videotape everything.
Whose house is this?
My buddy Blake, he's a UPS driver.
So why are y'all here?
Because I didn't want to go to my house. He's already been there. She's no longer living with us. Why is she standing there? I don't want her standing there.
She has the right to stand there.
You can stay in there.
Stop.
You've been to my house before.
Have I been to your house?
I think you have.
Maybe. Where you live?
Yes.
I've been to the house.
Yeah.
Okay.
But we're no longer together. So.
Okay.
But the thing is, like, she's saying that.
No, I can't talk to you. I'm probably about to get arrested.
Nope.
You're not being arrested.
Something, because everybody's over here talking shit. So I'll talk my shit back.
You're
Ma'am.
not getting arrested.
Ma'am, you're not getting arrested.
Okay.
I've already established that with you.
Everybody leave me the f alone and take my kids home. You understand?
Hold on. Wait.
You know what I mean?
Wait.
Like, he needs to leave me alone. Everybody needs to leave me.
Do me a favor.
Hold on. Who you talking to, baby? Hold up. That's literally what the officer is going through right now. He like, wait, hold up. Wait, who you talking to? I know you ain't talking to me. I know you're not talking to me. Listen, chill out. Do your little video recording. Do your thing. But let us handle what we got going on, because all the back lip and all that, that's only gonna make your situation worse. You know what I'm saying? So I know you ain't talking to me. I know you not. So yeah, you better take her drunk ass somewhere, boy.
Alone to take my kids home. You understand?
Hold on. Wait.
You know what I mean?
Wait.
Like, he needs to leave me alone. Everybody needs to leave me.
Do me a favor.
Yes.
Take it down 3 notches, because I have been nothing but respectful to you this entire time, and you're over here swearing and cussing at me and yelling at me. So what I need you to do, for the sake of your daughter, because your daughter's watching you.
Okay.
Okay. Is that how you want to act in front of your daughter? Absolutely
No, I
not.
want you to
I want you to be quiet. That's what I want you to do.
I want to be.
Everything's being documented. I want you to be quiet. That's what I want you to do. Stand by. I've already talked to you.
Sir.
I'm giving an opportunity to him to talk to him.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Sounds good. Yes,
Do me a
sir.
favor. Just sit on the back of your car.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Liza, I don't want you to be.
No, I need you to. I need
You
you.
called the cops
Look
for
at me.
no reason.
Look at me.
Just talk to us.
Hey,
Yeah.
stop talking to her.
Yeah.
Stop talking to her.
Okay.
You guys are making this way worse. You got a kid right there. You got a kid right there. Okay? That is not how we act in front of our children.
Correct.
Are you
I'm
calling?
gonna take my son. Get
Whoa,
the
whoa,
fuck out
whoa,
of my
whoa.
way.
Ma'am, you are putting.
Get the fuck out of my way. I'm gonna take my goddamn son.
All right.
Stop it, Liza.
Stop. I'm gonna take my motherfucking son.
Stop.
Get her together.
I'm gonna take my goddamn son.
Get back.
Have you lost your fucking mind?
Get back. Get
Have you
back.
lost your goddamn mind? Have you lost it, mother?
All right. Hey, stop.
Get her together.
You.
Nope, I lost her.
I can't wait.
I need you to back up. That's what I need you to do.
Yeah.
We're 10-4. We're detaining the female right now. Stand by.
Detain the female.
Liza, what the?
I haven't done a thing but try to grab my son while you've been trying to cause shit.
Stop.
I'm not doing shit. Don't fucking touch my son.
Well, you're being arrested right now.
Okay, bro. Oh wow, big fucking deal.
All right, we're gonna have to direct book.
Is that you?
No, I need you to back up. If
You
not,
got
you're
it
gonna
on
be arrested
video?
too.
You got it on
Back
video,
up. Back up.
Back it up, motherfucker. Back it up.
All right. Get up.
Back it up. Back it up. Back that shit up.
Stop.
Back it up.
Stop.
Back it up.
Stop. You're making it worse.
I'm not making a mother thing worse. I ain't done a damn fucking thing wrong.
All right.
And you
Well,
know it. I haven't fucking committed a crime.
yeah, you did. You just battered the law enforcement officer.
How?
Yeah.
How's that?
You literally pushed me in my face.
I pushed you?
Yes.
You big motherfucker. I pushed you?
Well, get in the car.
Oh my god.
Get in the car.
Oh my god.
Get in the car. Stop.
Well, wait,
Get in the
fucking
car.
Stop.
Get in the car.
Can you relax?
No, you need to get
I
in the
know
car.
that you're hard about having your fucking ass beat because you're a big dude. But calm down.
All right, stop. All right.
Yes, that.
Yeah, we're good.
Everything's fine. Thanks.
Everybody's good.
Most action he's gotten in a long time.
Aliza was charged with battery on an officer and posted a $5,000 bond. Represented by counsel, she pled not guilty and had a plea negotiation on August 26th. A sentencing hearing is already set for September 2nd, suggesting the case may be heading toward a negotiated plea deal rather than a trial.
Hey, y'all spiced up the bottom of the ending of y'all videos, boy. I remember the thing used to just be plain Jane. Now they got the little, okay, y'all must have got a new editor, boy. I like the little ending part where y'all breaking down the situation and all that. Y'all did y'all thing on that. But anyways, yeah, she's tripping. I ain't gonna lie to you. Man, I could already tell it was gonna go down because she can't control herself. She has no emotional control for a fact. I mean, as soon as she said, thank you, and then she just started bawling. I'm like, oh, here we go, man. You know, and then she got no physical control. She can't control herself. I mean, she is just all over the place. You know what I mean? Can't let the guys, do their conversation. Nobody interrupted her, right? The father or whatever didn't come over interrupting when they was having their conversation. But now that the attention is towards the father to interview him and see what his side of the story is, now she want to butt in and grab the daughter and this and that, when meanwhile you trying to grab this daughter or do whatever, but you neglecting the other one. The other one calling for you, you just brushing that one off to the side and nothing. Even when they were done talking to you, it's not like you went to your other child and consoled them or anything like that. You just, let me get out my phone and record. You just completely disown the other one. But man, I think the officers did a great job, man. I'm gonna get them a 4 out of 5, man. Great job from my perspective. I think they did a good job. Let me know in the comment section how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.